নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল যদি তোমালোকে HSLC এক্সাম চুটি কৰিছা তেন্তে এই ভিডিওটো তোমালোকৰ বাবে আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম চেপ্টাৰ 2 নেশ্যনেল মেণ্ডেলা লং ৱাক টু ফ্ৰীডমৰ এক্সাম স্পেচিয়েল কুৱেশ্যন এণ্ড আনসাৰ আৰু মোষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট এক্সট্ৰা কুৱেশ্যন এণ্ড আনসাৰ আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকৰ এক্সাম প্ৰিপাৰেচন ভাল হওক নেশ্যনেল মেণ্ডেলা Long walk to freedom, most expected question and answer. Question number 1. What is the long walk that Mandela speak about? Answer. The long walk refers to the long struggles from freedom in South Africa. Question number 2. What were the two occasions that Mandela talked about? Answer. Mandela talked about two occasions. One to his family and the other to his community and country. Question number 3. What did Mandela say about coherence? Answer. Mandela said that coherence is not the absence of forever but the triumph over it. Question number 4. What twin obtains were men not able to fulfill in South Africa? Answer. In South Africa, men were not able to fulfill their obtains to their family and to their society due to apartheid. Question number 5. What does Mandela thank the international leaders for? Answer. Mandela thanks international leaders for visiting South Africa and supporting the newly born democracy. Question number 6. What is Mandela's view on oppressor and oppressed? Answer. Mandela believed that the oppressor and the oppressed are both not free until oppression is ended. Nelson Mandela, long walk to freedom. Extra important question and answer. Question number 1. Who is the writer of Long Walk to Freedom? Answer. National Rolihlahla Mandela himself. Question number 2. When was Nelson Mandela? Answer. On 10th May 1994. La Soron is as the first black president of South Africa. Question number 3. Where did the ceremony take place? Answer. It took place at the Union Buildings apartment in Pretoria. Question number 4. What did the Mandela pledge in his inaugural speech? Answer. He pledged to liberate his people from poverty, suffering, gender and racial discrimination. Question number 5. How many deputy presidents were elected in South Africa? First democratic government. Answer. 2 deputy presidents. Question number 6. Who accompanied Nelson Mandela during the oath-taking ceremony? Answer. Mr. D. Kerala and Mr. Tambo Mbeki. Question number 7. What according to Mandela is the greatest wealth of a nation? Answer. The greatest wealth of nation is its people. Question number 8. What twin obtains does Mandela speak about? Answer. Obligation toward family and obligation toward nation and community. Question number 9. What does Mandela mean by an extraordinary human desert? Answer. He meant the inhuman practice and apartheid in South Africa. Question number 10. What were the two contradictory states of feeling described by Mandela? Answer. His hunger for freedom and his hunger for fulfilling responsibility. Question number 11. Who according to Mandela are coherent men? Answer. Courageous men are those who conquer fear, not those who live without fear. Question number 12. What was the united effect of apartheid on South Africa? Answer. It created a deep and lasting wound in the country's soul. Question number 13. How did Mandela define freedom? Answer. Freedom means not only freedom for change but also freedom to live with dignity and equity. Question number 14. What qualities of Mandela are revealed in the lesson? Answer. He leadership, coherence, humility and dedication to justice. Question number 15. What did Mandela say about the oppressor and the opposite? Question number 15. Answer. Both the oppressor and the opposite are robbed of their humility. Question number 16. What precious ideal did Mandela create for his people? Answer. The ideal of a democratic and free society. Question number 17. Why is National Mandela admired all over the world? Answer. Because he satisfied his life for freedom, justice and equity. Question number 18. What is the long walk to freedom? Answer. It is Mandela's lifelong struggles for equity and justice. Question number 19. How many years did Mandela spend in prison? Answer. He spent 30 years in prison. Question number 20. What is the main theme of the lesson? Answer. The lesson highlights the struggle against apartheid and the triumph of freedom and democracy. ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি আমি শিকিলোঁ চেপ্টাৰ 2 নেশ্যনেল মেণ্ডেলা লং ৱাক টু ফ্ৰীডম মষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন এণ্ড আনচাৰ এণ্ড আৰু লগতে শিকিলোঁ এক্সট্ৰা কুৱেশ্যন এণ্ড আনচাৰ। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো তোমালোকৰ সহায় হয় তেন্তে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি থবা। পৰৱৰ্তী ভিডিঅ'ত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম চেপ্টাৰ 3 হিজ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ফ্লাইট 2 stories about flying part 1 exam special question and